Macassar Ebony, amazing quality. If you're looking for Macassar Ebony fingerboards, call us California Exotic Hardwoods. We have a bass guitar fingerboards available too. Amazing quality Macassar Ebony, California Exotic Hardwoods and California Luthier supplies. We are capable of supplying you guys finest quality Macassar Ebony fingerboards. Amazing quality. Definitely you're going to love our quality, spectacular pieces, longer, wider, thicker fingerboards. Remember, when you're looking for finest quality Macassar, give us a call. Everything will be available in California, Anaheim. 714-785-3137 of number. Give us a call. These are the best quality Macassar Ebony fingerboards. We have a more beautiful fingerboards. I want to show you quality one after another. They all came from the same tree, so they matches the color. If you're looking for Macassar Ebony backs and sides, give us a call. We have our backs and sides in stock too. Again, getting a quality fingerboard is difficult nowadays. No worries, we have it here in Anaheim. California Luthier supplies and California Exotic Hardwoods. All are sanded both sides. Unique Macassar. If you're looking for East Indian rosewood fingerboards, we have East Indian rosewood fingerboards in stock. If you're looking for black ebony fingerboards, we have black ebony fingerboards in stock. If you guys looking for like African blackwood fingerboards, we can supply you that too. If you're looking for Indian ebony, we can have Indian ebony fingerboards in stock. If you're looking for stripe ebony fingerboards, we have stripe ebony fingerboards. Let us know. Thank you.